Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Honda CRV. So right now the car's having problem with the engine mount. So I got the engine mount right here. This is on the right side of the engine. It's a whole piece like this. This is the part number, original from Honda. Costs around $300. And let me show you the problem with the car. You can see the engine mount right here is completely cracked, broken. You can see it. Not sure. Let me show you on this side. You can see it's completely broken, this whole piece right here. Before I start taking out the engine mount, what I'm doing is I put a piece of wood on the jack right here. So I'm gonna put it under the engine oil pan. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. Make sure you guys take the engine undercover out, and then put a piece of wood in the jack, slide it in, and then raise it up. Let it touch the oil pan to lift up the engine a little bit. To get access to the engine mount, I took out the coolant line bracket right here. Take out the hose bracket that sits on this black piece right here. Take out the 2 bolts on the expansion tank. Move it to the side. There you go. This is the little bracket I'm talking about. It sits onto this. So you just gotta press this tab. Press on the tab, pull it forward, and then push it out. And then for the washer, take out the clip right here, pull. And then for the black piece right here, you're gonna take out the 2 bottom bolt, one right here, one right here, and then there's 2 right here, one right here, one right here. Remove the AC line out of the way off of the bracket, and kind of work your way out, taking this piece out, and then give you some room. And then you're gonna take out the engine torque rod out. 2 17mm, 1 17mm. Got the 3 17mm out from the torque rod already. So I'm just gonna slide this piece out. There you go. Take that piece out. Make sure you guys inspect it too. If it's broken, bad, replace it. Check the bushing. Everything's good. So there's 3 14mm, 2 right here, 1 right here. There you go. Take that piece out. Before you guys take out the mount, this is a 19mm. This one's I believe 19 too, or 17. Before you guys taking the mount out, make sure you guys have the jack stand under and lift the engine up a little bit. Make sure it makes contact and the engine lift up a little bit. Nope, I felt it went up a little bit. So now you can take out the 3 19mm. So right now I have the jack under contacting the engine. It's gonna drop a bit, but not much. There you go. You see how it drops. And then I'm gonna take out the 2 bolts on the bottom mount right here, 1 on this side and then 1 on this side right here, and then I can remove the whole assembly up. Already got 2 of the bolts out already. I'll take the top piece out. You can see it's broken. There you go. Now I'm gonna take out the bottom piece. It's broken. Now I'm gonna put the whole piece assembly in. Now I'm just gonna put the whole piece in. Go, slide in really good. Now you can see the engine mount is slightly high and the engine's kind of low because it dropped down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna raise up the engine a little bit, push it up. So there you go, slowly going up. There you go. Once this passed, I can put the nut through, and then I'm gonna align the 2 bottom bolt. So I got my new engine mount already. I tightened the 2 bolts at the bottom first. If it's really hard for you guys to finger tighten down the bolt, what you do is you hold the engine and you kind of yank it forward, backward to help you align with the hole straight, and then you can finger tighten it. And then don't forget your ground wire right here, 10 millimeter, the bracket on the side. Once everything is aligned, make sure you lift up the engine where it makes contact with the engine mount. Don't have it too low and shoot it up. Make sure you lift the engine up first, make slight contact with it, and then you can hit it. I'm gonna hit the middle bolt first. See how it go down really nice and smooth? There you go. That's tight. Hit it a little bit. That's it. That's it. That's it. Tighten down the 314 millimeter, the 10 millimeter ground wire, and then put back your engine torque rod. There's the word up right here, so this is facing up. So you have it in the right position, it's just slide in really easy, just like that. There you go. And put back your bolt. Finger tighten everything. You don't want to strip anything, especially on the engine mount. If you strip like the body, frame bolt, it's gonna be hard to put the mount back in position. So there you go. Finger tighten everything. Shoot it down, tighten it down. Put back your expansion tank bracket. Put back your expansion tank. I got everything backed on already. The expansion tank, the reservoir, the top piece right here. Put the clip back. Don't forget your ground wire again, guys. Don't forget to hook the expansion line into the black bracket right here. Hook it in. If you don't hook it in, it's gonna touch the dry belt. You can see the old one, show you again, the old one's completely broken. What happened is, if this piece is broken, when you drive or when you shift into gear, or when you drive, when you accelerate, when you hit the gas, the engine will jump forward or backward. You will feel it right away. So it's a good thing to replace the engine mount. So that is it for this video, guys. You can take out your jack on the bottom, put back your undercover. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.